Welcome to this lesson on future time expressions. Today, we will learn how to talk about events that haven't happened, yet using the words soon and later. These are important tools for describing what will happen in the future. There are two main time expressions we use to talk about the future. Soon means something will happen in the near future, happening relatively quickly. Later means something will happen further away in time, less immediately. Both words help us describe when future events will occur. Let's look at some examples. When we say, "I will see you soon," we mean we will see each other in the near future, happening quickly. When we say we will talk about it later, we mean the conversation will happen at a time further away, not right now. Notice how both sentences use the word will to show the future. The basic grammar pattern is subject plus will plus verb plus soon or later. We use will to show future action. The adverb soon or later comes at the end of the sentence. This pattern helps us speak correctly about future events. Here are more examples with soon. They will arrive soon. The movie will start soon. I will call you soon. And here are examples with later. We will discuss it later. She will finish her work later. He will return later today. Notice how soon suggests things happening quickly, while later suggests things happening at an unspecified future time. Soon refers to the near future. It means something is relatively quick and more immediate. Soon usually means hours or days away. Later refers to further away in the future. It is less immediate and more unspecified. Later can mean weeks, months, or even years away. Understanding this difference helps you use the correct word. There are 3 common mistakes to avoid. First, do not forget the word will. Say I will see you soon, not I see you soon. Second, avoid wrong word order. Say I will arrive soon, not soon I will arrive. Third, do not confuse soon and later. They mean different times in the future. Soon is quicker, later is further away. Remember these key points. Use soon for events happening quickly, within hours or days. Use later for events at an unspecified future time. Always use will with both soon and later. The pattern is will plus verb plus soon or later at the end of the sentence. Practice these expressions, and you will be able to talk about the future confidently in English.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.